In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create expert advisors in Metatrader. By the end, you'll know how to find reliable expert advisors, download them from the official source, and locate them inside your Metatrader platform so you're ready to work with them. Let's start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to land on the official resources you need. We're using a search engine here to make sure you get to the right place without typing long URLs or ending up on unofficial sites. In the search bar, type MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisor. That phrase will point you toward the official MetaTrader pages where expert advisors, also called EAs, are listed and explained. An expert advisor is an automated trading program that can analyze the market and place trades based on rules. We're focusing on MetaTrader 5, so make sure you're looking at MT5 compatible content. MT4 and MT5 use different formats, and an EA built for one won't run on the other. When the results load, look for official domains and trusted sources. Staying with the official MetaTrader ecosystem helps you avoid unverified downloads and compatibility issues. Now, click the result that takes you to the official MetaTrader area for expert advisors. This will typically bring you into the market or a page that showcases EAs designed for MT5. Once you're on that page, you'll see a wide selection of tools built by different developers along with descriptions, ratings, and update histories. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the MT5 section is worth it. It saves time later and keeps things smooth when you bring the EA into the platform. From here, you'll notice options to filter what you see. You can switch between popular to view what's widely used, new to discover the latest releases, and free or paid depending on your budget and goals. Popular can be a helpful starting point because those EAs tend to have more user feedback. New entries might feature fresh approaches or recently updated logic. Free is great for learning and testing, while paid often comes with more advanced features, ongoing support, or frequent updates. As you browse, consider the pair or market you trade, the timeframes you prefer, and whether the EA mentions any specific requirements like additional indicators. When something catches your eye, click on it to open its detailed page. Here's where you want to slow down and read carefully. Check the description for the strategy overview, the inputs you can adjust, and whether it's designed for trending markets, ranging conditions, or specific sessions. Look at the version history to see how actively it's maintained, and scan through user reviews for practical insights. If there are backtest reports or screenshots, note the time period tested, drawdown levels, and consistency across different market phases. Clear documentation and recent updates are good signs. Once you're confident in your choice, click download. If it's a free EA, the download will proceed immediately through the official market connection. Paid products will present purchase options within the same ecosystem. Either way, stick with the official flow so the EA is properly linked to your platform and licensed to your account. This method also ensures you'll receive updates and fixes through the normal channels, which is important for long-term reliability. After the download completes, go back to your MetaTrader platform. Keep it open during this process so the platform can receive the file and register it correctly. This helps the EA appear where you expect it without manual file copying or digging through folders. On the left side of MetaTrader, open the Navigator panel and click on Expert Advisors. This is the section where your EAs are organized. You should see the EA you just downloaded listed there, ready for you to explore. If it doesn't appear right away, give the platform a moment to sync. From this panel, you'll be able to view the EAs you've added, check their details, and prepare them for use on your charts when you're ready. That's it. You searched from the official source, explored with the right filters, chose an EA confidently, downloaded it safely, returned to MetaTrader, and found it under Expert Advisors on the left. You're now set up to continue customizing and learning how the EA behaves within your trading environment.